In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can customize shortcuts in Google Docs. So let's get started. So open your Google Docs. So once you have opened your Google Docs, you just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find all these tabs. Now we just need to simply click on the Tools tab, okay? So once you click the Tools tab, we need to scroll down to the bottom and we can find the Preferences, okay? Click on that. And this preferences window will appear, which is the general and substitutions tab. Now we just need to click on the substitutions, and here we can simply type our shortcut. So let's say, for example, I'm going to type in here for shapes. I'm just going to type sh with shapes, okay, like that. As such for shapes, then we just need to simply click on okay, but it's up to you. You can replace anything from here with a shortcut. Okay, so click on okay. Now let's try. Let's type sh and hit enter, and it will automatically form into shapes as a word. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily create shortcut in Google Docs. So I hope this video helped you, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.